Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use 2FA on crypto. Full guide. Enable two-factor authentication now following step-by-step instructions to secure your account. I'll walk you through app settings, authenticator versus SMS options, backup codes, and recovery tips. We'll cover enabling 2FA in the app, linking Google Authenticator, saving backup codes safely, and testing login flow. Keep your phone secure and store backups offline. By the end, you'll have a practical setup that balances convenience with strong security. I'll guide you through enabling 2FA inside the crypto. app step by step. Open Settings, tap Security, then two-factor authentication. Choose Google Authenticator for stronger security, install the app, and scan the QR code shown. Save the backup key on paper and in a secure password manager. Test the setup by logging out and back in to confirm codes work. Keep your phone and backups protected to avoid accidental lockouts. Next, I will cover advanced 2FA tips that reduce risks and speed recovery. Link Authenticator to a secondary device for redundancy, but keep primary offline when possible. Avoid SMS 2FA because it is vulnerable to SIM swaps. Regularly export and encrypt your backup keys and store them in at least 2 secure locations. Recognize phishing attempts and never enter codes on unknown sites. Review active sessions and log out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.